Hey man, this is your boy Classic, and I gotta say, it's all about your mind. The victory is your mind. Now, what I mean by that is, alright, they say God is nothing and everything at the same time, right? So that means God is everything. That means God is one with everything, and everything is separated at the same time. So you could see where the confusion lies. It lies within the whole, because without the whole, there is nothing. And without nothing, there is the whole. There isn't any whole. So, whatever you think about will create your reality. Whatever thought that comes into your mind is what you become. If you dwell upon it, if you believe in it, if you go through, if you follow it out, if you do what your mind thinks. Because you got to remember, as even the Bible says, you are what you think. A man is defiled not by what he thinks, but what comes out of him. So, yeah, we can be taking in knowledge, we can be observing things, but we don't have to become like it. Is when you become like it, then you are that man. Then you are that person, the persona. Then you become that persona. You become that person. You become the person when you behave like that, when you act it out. In other words, you put your thoughts into action. Always remember, the victory is always your mind. Always your mind. Your art is also a part of your mind. Many people might say it is your third eye, but hey, to each his own. What I do know is whatever the mind conceive creates your reality. So it always going to, everything always come back to the source, which is the mind. So as you can see, your boy Classic saying the victory is always your mind. Victory is mine. Remember that. Daily dose.